who got invited to a TikTok shop event. Me! And I decided to bring my YouTube peeps along with me. This is the TikTok Tastemakers is the name of the event, and I'm gonna meet Chantal there because we influencers, we creators or whatever. I'm on Snapchat way more these days, and if you really want to get like the good juicy stuff, follow me on Snapchat because that's where it really goes down. It says I'm here. Kind of like the vibe and the hustle and bustle of the city. I'll never get used to the traffic, the driving, the parking, the one ways. I'll never get used to it, like never ever. But anyway, can I turn right here? Let's go. The skin is skinning today, okay? The skin is skinning. The edges are not edging because I was rushing and walked right out the house and forgot to do my edges. But the skin is skinning. It is Friday. God is good, okay?
Downtown.
This was really cute. It's time to eat and get in these mommy streets. Trader Joe's, here I come. My people meter was like it feels so good to just be in the house and quiet. I have been back to Trader Joe's because I just fell in love with Trader Joe's. It's Friday, the groceries bought, it's time to pick the kids up and big kick it. When I tell y'all, I take good naps on Fridays. Fridays is good nap day for me. I don't try to do that during the week because I just try to stay up, busy, productive, and I know if I take a nap, I'll be up all night, and then my morning will be thrown off. Fridays, that ain't the case. We got more beef and broccoli. These chicken soup dumplings are worth the hype, for sure. Mushrooms, because I like mushrooms and bell peppers. I'm going to add mushrooms to my beef and broccoli. Mushrooms to the beef and broccoli and probably to one of the rices. The easiest meal in the world. Turkey burgers. And they're so good. I season them up. I put mushrooms on those as well. Oh no, my light. That's okay. Apple juice. I got some milk. I ain't do like a big holly haul because I still have some stuff, but I wanted to get, we went through the beef and broccoli and the burgers and all of that stuff. Why are people so mad about people using demure? Like, that's part of kind of what this is, guys. People follow trends to get more likes, to get more views, to whatever the case is. Let the people follow the trends, y'all. It'll phase out. Just be very thoughtful, very kind. These hamburger buns are very demure. Okay, I got more mushrooms. Nanners. Chicken sausage patties. This rice is the bomb. But this time, I got something new, different that I didn't get last time. I got some brown rice. I'm really gonna start buying these by like the 2s and 3s. Because the way they went through that, I got hash browns and some more juice. I'm gonna try to sit down and calm my life down before it's time for the kids to come home. When I get overstimulated, I'm short. Like you can tell if you've ever been around me or if you know me and I start getting short, I'm like, yeah. Like I'm overstimulated. I got nothing left. I'm depleted. I need to charge up before the kids get home from school. It is 106 degrees today here in Texas, so everything that I had planned everything that I planned on doing, I canceled because that is disrespectful heat. Just picked up thing 1 and 3 from school. Kennedy has volleyball practice until about 6, so I'm gonna unbox something, but I have no idea what it is. But it looks big. What is this? Oh, this is my Teddy Blake bag.
Yours?
Yes, mine. So don't even worry about it.
I'm just nosy. I just want to see what it looks like.
Teddy Blake, New York. Designer handbags made in Italy. Luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your everyday fashion. I don't really have a style, but
That's you.
what's my style?
It's like sport mom, because you wear a lot of leggings back in tank tops.
Look how big the box is. Let's take a thumbnail.
It's a school morning. Our mornings aren't too bad, other than I did go to bed at like 2 o'clock in the morning, but I'm not even gonna start and complain. Like, our mornings are bad. We used to have to drive. This morning, I'm just tired. But I wanted to let y'all spend a life in a day. So, you know, I'm inspired. Spend a life in a day with me. Spend a day in the life with me. I'm going to the hospital to see a princess. I'm going to film some content. I want to get more into UGC, so most of my videos will contain videos of me trying to do product shoots and things. I like the shoot that I did with the bag. I'm going to post that here now. You can watch. That's what y'all can do while y'all wait on me to get dressed. Watch my behind the scenes and the final outcome of the GG bag, and I'll leave a link in the description for you to get it. Let's get this day started.
I woke up this morning and decided I want to do a promo shoot for this bag. The unboxing was cute and everything, but let's do a promo shoot. Like, let's get dressed. Let's go give Sex in the City Carrie. I am a hot, sweaty mess. Filming content outside on an excessive heat warning day was not the move. However, I'm gonna try to piece up the content I did get. And we'll see what final video. I just want to get into this dress with it. Let me show y'all this dress from Target. The way this dress is snatching me, I think this dress was like $10 at Target. And the shoes are from Target. Just some cute little slides. Right now I'm about to pull off this hot. Blake, this is the GG bag. Teddy Blake would be my first choice. I love this color. It's giving me very much fall. I keep my wireless microphone. Wireless microphone from TikTok shop. I gotta hide it from my kids, so I gotta keep it in my office. Light, ring light. Is it dead? Oh no, it's not dead. We need this for the rest of the video. Let's keep my ring light because you never know. I have some deodorant. Natural feminine deodorant stick. Because it's too hot to be walking around musty. I have My light just went out. I have some shades. YSL shades. Ooh, I did not purchase these YSL shades. They were a gift to me. I do not buy glasses. I don't buy shades that cost this much, but I will wear them if they are a gift. Cute. Because you never know, it's that time of the month for me, and I have teenage girls, so somebody might need a pad. My wallet, a random receipt, I don't know where it's from. Clear eyes, beeswax. Ouch, let me just go and sit down. Let's just go and do that. And I can't show y'all my friend, but I keep a friend in my bag, okay? I keep a charger because either my iPad or my phone or my ring light or my microphone needs to be charged. I love this bag so much because my friend can fit in my bag so comfortably. And yeah, I used to carry around this little crossbody, but my friend can't fit in there. That is everything that's in my bag. So check in on Miss B. I don't know how she's doing. I don't know if I'm giving her too much water or too much sun. Either way, I'm about to make something with basil today because I don't know how my girl doing. Hang in there, Miss B. And Princess is still in the hospital. She's doing so much better though. Like, I'm gonna say she's doing 100% better compared to the day she went into the hospital. But she's doing, let me sit them down. Okay. She's doing so much better. And I'm gonna ask her if she could be a part of my vlog today. I just kind of want to ask her some questions, life lessons, and just really get a chuckle out of her. That's really the purpose of this video, is to make Aunt Princess laugh. Let's roll. Parked in the wrong building, but the valet guy, he was an older gentleman. He was like, you ain't even got to get your car back. What you do is walk straight out the building and go straight to the right. It's right there on your left. It ain't far at all. Sir, I came to valet because I didn't want to walk. But he convinced me because here I am walking to the other building. But it's really not. It's like across the little courtyard. Get my steps in today.
Because I asked the spiel to tell. I said my niece got a photo, wanted to know if I was going to watch Oprah. And I want to say, I said, I know y'all will follow faces on Facebook, but look, my niece took me to see Oprah.
I found them pictures. So I didn't know how I was going to end this vlog. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to end this vlog. The best way to end this vlog, Aunt Princess going home.
Hey, y'all. I told everybody, look, the nurses here have such impeccable care down at Baylor University down in Dallas, Baylor Scott and White University down in Dallas, Texas. They have great bedside manners, impeccable care. There's much kindness. The whole team rallied around me. From their infectious disease team, for the nurses, for the techs, everyone rallied around me, even the charge nurses, my patient care advocate, my counselor, who was helping with my meds, trying to get me connected in the Waco region area. So guys, somebody called me this morning and they said, Princess, what are you doing? I said, y'all, I'm in jail.
Jail is crazy.
And they laughed. Right, they say, Princess, why are you in jail? I say, well, it's because I got IVs connected to me and I'm stressing out. Yeah. I've been in here since
they're gonna take the news, aren't they?
Yeah, they're gonna take hey y'all, all these IVs are coming out. I got them on one hand. I told them, leave this other hand freedom for this other hand, but you can connect 20 IVs over here. But anyway, peace out, everybody. Thank y'all, love y'all. Thank y'all for prayers. It's much appreciated. And thank you for your love and support. It's heartfelt. Thank you.